Hey guys, welcome to NS Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how you can claim and trade your PocketFi airdrop. But before we start, please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified on our next video. Okay guys, Switch airdrop is live. Some people have started claiming their token while some are waiting for 9th of June to claim 100% of their token. If you are among those that want to claim your own, this is how to go about it. And for those that don't know how we got to this dashboard, this is what you need to do to get to this dashboard. Okay, I'm going to close this one and open it again. When you go to your PocketFi bot, you don't click on open, just click on the body of the PocketFi and this dashboard will come up. You enter start here, start. When you send this command to the bot, this dashboard will come up. You click on PocketFi. And this dashboard will come up. This is where you're going to claim your Switch airdrop. You can see the amount of Switch that you have. For me, I have 151,000 Switch, which worth approximately 2,000 USDT. Okay. To claim on this platform, the first thing you need to do is to click on wallet. When you click on wallet, you click on deposit. You copy your ton address. Your ton address is the one at the top. You copy your ton address. I've copied my ton address. You go to your ton keeper or BitGet or Bybit, any exchange at all you are using, anywhere that you have ton. Okay, you send small amount of ton to this wallet. You can send 1 ton, 0.5 ton, 0.2 ton. I have 0.15 ton. Let me send extra ton. Go to my ton keeper. This is my ton keeper here. I have small amount of ton here, so I'll click on it. I'll click on send. I'll paste the address that I just copied. I'll enter 0.2 ton. I'll click on continue. I'll confirm. Okay guys, I've sent ton to the address. I'll minimize and go back. After some seconds, the ton is going to reflect on this wallet. Now, you go back to auction. This is where you're going to claim your airdrop. But remember what I said before, if you are claiming now, you can't claim 100%. Any amount that you're able to claim now, the remaining will be staked for 3 months. Okay, so if you want to take the risk, you want to claim now and allow the remaining of your Switch token to be staked for 3 months, you click on claim now. When you click on claim now, it will show you the amount that you'll be able to claim at the moment. For me, I'll be able to claim 4,500 Switch, worth about $64 at the moment, and 141,000 Switch will be staked for 3 months. Okay, so if it is something that you want to do, you click on claim. Small amount of ton will be deducted from your wallet. That's why you fund your wallet with ton, because the claiming is on chain. Okay, once you click on claim, the amount being displayed to you will be automatically claimed to your wallet, and the remaining amount on your wallet will be staked for 3 months. Remember this. Okay, or you can simply wait for 9th of June 1500 UTC and you'll be able to claim 100% of your token. Now, these your token are being unlocked 5% daily. So as the day goes up, the quantity that you are going to receive increases as well. So if you are claiming tomorrow or next, the quantity that you will receive will increase as well. Okay guys, after claiming the Switch, you click on PocketFi 2.0. Okay, to take you to the new dashboard of PocketFi. When it takes you to this dashboard, you click on this Solana here, change it to ton. When you click on ton, this dashboard will appear. And for you to see the Switch that you just claimed, you click on holdings. When you click on holdings, just as you are seeing ton here, you are going to see Switch. You see the switch that you just claimed, it will display under turn, okay, or above turn. After seeing the switch that you just claimed, the next thing you need to do is to withdraw the switch to Keeper or my Turn wallet. This is because PocketFi wallet is centralized. If anything should happen to your Telegram account, any money that you have on switch is lost. So what you need to do is to click on withdraw, then you select switch. Select switch, you enter amount, you click on receiver, you go to your Turn Keeper, minimize and go back to Turn Keeper, you click on receive, you copy your address just as I did now, go to your PocketFi bot, you paste the address, click on it. After you enter the amount, you click on transfer, and your switch will be transferred from your PocketFi bot on Telegram to your Keeper wallet. Okay. Now, after you have transferred it from PocketFi bot to Keeper wallet, you go back to your Keeper. Go back to your Keeper wallet, you click on browser. Okay. Then you click on StonFi, on STON.fi. It's a DeFi platform. Click on it. This dashboard will come up. If you are connecting to this platform for the first time, you'll be prompted to connect your wallet. After connecting your wallet, it will appear exactly like this. Now, this is where you're going to swap your switch token to turn. Okay, so you click on turn at the top, click on turn, you search for switch. Now, this is the switch, the first one, switch, the first one here, not switch token, please. You select it as you click on the empty space after switch. Now it's selected. Then you click on USDT or any token that is showing at the bottom. You select turn. Okay. Then you enter the amount of switch that you want to swap to turn. Let's say I was able to claim 4,500 switch and I want to swap it to turn. I'll enter 4,500 switch. 4,500 switch is worth approximately $64 and worth about 20.4 ton. After this, I'll click on swap. Okay. For now, it's showing insufficient switch balance because I don't have switch on this wallet. Okay. This is how to claim and trade your switch token on StonFi. If you have the switch, here you will see sell or swap, and you'll be able to swap your switch to turn. Then you can withdraw the turn to your exchange or do anything that you want to do with the turn. Okay. This is how to claim your switch and sell. Let's go back to Telegram. Okay. This is the new bot. This is the new PocketFi bot where you can perform your trade and do other things. So let me go back to the old PocketFi bot. On this platform, the amount of switch you'll be able to withdraw will be increasing every seconds. Okay. So there is no need to rush to claim now, because if you claim only 2% now, 98% will be locked for 3 months. So you can relax and claim later days. Okay. If you click on claim, you see that the amount you are going to claim increased every seconds. It all depends on the total amount of switch that you have. And once you claim, the remaining amount will be staked. So don't rush to claim an insignificant amount. You can wait till 9th of June and claim everything, or you can wait till at least this month will end before you claim if you are afraid that the price of switch might dump. Okay, this is how to do it. Please don't rush to claim, or the remaining percent of your switch will be locked for 3 months. You have to understand this before you launch to claim. For those that staked, like me, I staked for 3 months. Click on staking. My own is ending on 26th of May. Wait until your stake elapses before you'll be able to claim that switch. Okay. Okay, guys, this is it about the claiming of PocketFi Airdrop and trading of PocketFi Airdrop on StonFi platform. If you gain value from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you guys in the next one. Thank you.